Hello everyone and welcome. So you join us today back in Sables Salon. We have done an upload on the main part of the city with the beaches, but today I decided to take you to the opposite side of the inlet. So what we do is we park in a free car park, which is right at the top. I will show you where it is here. So basically it's where the docks car park is, and we walk all the way down the main road, and there's some lovely side streets to walk around. There's a little church in the centre here. It's got a fantastic mural, so definitely recommend you walk up to that. And then we from there, as you can see, we walk down to where the Sea Museum is and the chateau. Definitely worth a look as well. And then from there we'll walk all the way down to the bottom, and then the lighthouse is right on the tip there. You can't actually gain access to the lighthouse itself, but I do walk you down as far as I can, and you can get a little ferry, a taxi across to the other side of the main city should you wish. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it everyone. It's a fairly short one, and I'll try and find interesting things as I'm walking around. Right folks, I just want to show you this bit of artwork here. It's amazing. It goes all around this building. It goes all the way around. It's actually really cool. The detail. Try and show you as I walk around it. There's a boy looks sad, looking out the window. One playing with the ball. One got a basket with some mussels in it and a drink. Postman. And you've got the people in the bar having a good time. Really cool, isn't it? Really cool. And you've got a seagull on the roof. It's not abundantly clear which way we've got to go, Shell.
view of the church. Beautiful. It's a gorgeous day. And we're going to head up to the lighthouse now.
Hi everyone, so just want to point out that this is the channel taxi that will take you across the channel of heroes, take you to the other side where the grand beach is and the casino, and obviously that's the main part of town. There's lots of shops there. It's a very touristy area and definitely worth visiting. So yeah, it's not expensive. It's like a couple of euros each to go across. We didn't do it this time, but we have done it before. So yeah, if you're on this side, it's definitely worth going over to that part of the city, and if you're over there, it's definitely worth coming over this part of the city to just check out the St Nicholas Church and the Chateau St Clair and things like that. And so yeah, but this is not the only passage across, by the way, folks. There is another crossing further up where you can cross passage A. So you can't really miss it. It's a much bigger taxi than this. This is a very small one compared to the other one. So yeah, the Key George passage A is just a little bit further up. So yeah, just thought I'd share that with you.
It's one of the pizza machines.
So that brings us to the end, folks. We decided to get a slushy for the kids. It was actually really, really hot, and the kids did really appreciate it. So thank you very much for watching. Please remember to subscribe for more videos and check out our playlist. So thanks so much for watching and have a great day.